tada! Gifts from YSL. Thank you, YSL, for gifting me. I wanted to show you guys this display from Temu. You can choose each image or little video to play, and I wanted like a really cute theme, so this is what I have. And I also was gifted the Pixu, which is just you choose one image and it just shows up on here. And I love this cat because it helps me sleep at night, these colors. And yeah, thanks so much, guys. I believe this one was once every other day, maybe? Hi guys! So we ended up returning our couch from IKEA. We got the Kivik sofa, and it was, when we tried it in store, it was very soft, and when we sat on it, it was really nice. But then when we brought it home and like fixed it up and everything, the cushions were actually very hard. So we ended up returning that one, and we got a new couch, and I'm so happy with this one. I love how it has like these platform backrests because I can just put things on top, you can just sit on top. And it's just such a cute couch, guys, and it's super comfy. I love how we cushioned it with everything. I actually got this cushion from IKEA, this cushion cover and the cushion itself. It feels like down feathers, but it's not. It's like this Sherpa texture, and I love it. I also got this cover from IKEA. It's like a linen feel, and I love it. This is one of my favorite cushions. It's from Temu, and it's just a gingerbread. Also, another thing I did not like about the Kivik is that it didn't have like these corners. It was just flat, so actually you couldn't lean back if you wanted to, and that was super annoying. Like you would have to only lean back to the, like vertically. You couldn't like go on like diagonal, which is something that I really love about couches, and I think it's like a must-have. It's also a sectional, so once we upgrade into a bigger home, we can just buy another one that's similar and just add on to it. And that's all. I just really wanted to give you guys an update on my new couch.
Oh, his hair is all over this. This, I did it in its full glory. Wait, that didn't look comfortable. Wait, this was the welcome back to my channel. I just came back from running errands, and I have a package from Medicube. Guys, I'm really hoping it's the pink Booster Pro device. That is my wish. Oh my gosh, Medicube mask. A lot of things. And the Booster Pro. Oh my gosh. So we got the Booster Pro, HR Booster Pro. Some pink serums. Some pink face mask and more collagen pink creams. Toner pads and creams. And a little brush. I cannot wait to try this one. I don't have much time left until my friend comes over, but I wanted to quickly clean up my apartment because my friend is coming over in less than 30 minutes and I have a lot of chores still to do. So I'm just going to take you guys through my day. Okay guys, so I am taking a mini break from doing the Christmas tree stuff and I actually have a lot of emails to catch up on. So me and Titan, just kidding, he does not want to work today, sit on our couch and work on a few things. Me and my sister just filmed a video of us setting up this couch, so I'm going to edit it and post it on my Instagram. almost done. I know, the Christmas tree is not that much decor. I got my favorite. This is my favorite sushi. It's the best. I love it so much. I got this for dinner because I didn't feel like cooking. This is like my third time this week eating Hello Nori. Okay guys, I just got out of the shower and I wanted to show you guys my nightly skincare routine. I recently got gifted Medicube, as you guys saw earlier, and I wanted to show you guys my nightly skin routine. I try to use microcurrent devices on my skin maybe like once every 3 days. And before I was using Medicube, I was using my Amiro. I actually really like this device. I would say comparing these two devices, this one is a better build and better quality. This one is very light, while this one is heavier. I like that this one has many modes and functions. So I've also noticed that the pink jelly cream that came with it, it also lasts longer than the Amiro's jelly, so you can like go at it for longer. I also received this one, the Foreo Bear 2. This one is also very popular for aging, helping with skin elasticity. Let's turn this on.
Booster mode, level 1.
So there's booster mode,
Microcurrent mode, level 1.
microcurrent mode.
Thermoshot mode, level 1. Air shot mode, level 1. Booster mode, level 1.
You can see my eyelid is like glitching. I just finished using the Medicube device on my face, and now I'm going to use their one-day Epsom Shot 2000. I think I have another one that says 7,500, and it's supposed to feel like needles on your skin, but I am it goes. Ooh, it does sting a little bit. Because I feel like that's the place that needs the most pore help. It only stings for like a few seconds and then it goes away. So that is my skincare routine for the night. Let me know if you guys want a full in-depth review comparison on all the current devices I have on the Amiro, Medicube, and Foreo. I feel like not many people know about facial electrotherapy, so I'm happy to share my own experience and how it's been for me using these microcurrent devices. So that was it for my skincare routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, please comment down below what kind of skincare products you guys like to use and what is your skincare routine. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.